Hello guys, ask Anastasia again. We're in Cincinnati and believe it or not we have hot tamale here. But where are the Spanish guys who like to work? Okay, this is the street where we're looking at the house. And I'm gonna show you price later on in this video. That's how it's look from outside. That's neighbor house. Pretty nice, and this is for sale. It's already been remodeled. And I'm gonna show you. People that I came with doesn't even want to look inside, huh? Not interested. Which is not a bad house to me. It has private backyard, very peaceful. This tree needs to be gone. I'm not sure about roof. Most likely you need to change the roof. But it has siding, windows, probably new, replaced. This is entrance to the basement. I don't think we're gonna go there, but let's see what's inside. Oh, doesn't smell good when you walk in. You don't like it, huh?
No, this is upstairs.
Upstairs, it's really bad?
Yeah, it's really small.
Really small? Okay. Bathroom. They did some work. This was the kitchen, I believe. And there is some problem with the flooring. They are putting in a listing that foundation have been stabilized. Let's hope so, but